Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about parchment paper. Alrighty, so before I get on that, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below there. Ring the notification bell so you get notified, and of course, thumbs up from everybody. Alrighty, so parchment paper. Parchment paper is used in cooking, for those of you that don't know. It's really great at helping to keep your pans clean. Example, you get your cookie sheet out, put some parchment paper on it, you put your fish sticks on it, you put it in the oven, you cook it up, you pull it out, take all your fish sticks up, take the paper up, rot it away, put it in the trash, and the grease and oil is not baked into the surface of your cookie sheet. You're not going to have to scour it for hours to clean it. Parchment paper is really good at keeping your cookie sheets and cake pans clean from when you're baking stuff in them. Heck, you can even use it around cakes as well to keep them from sticking. One of the things we used to use a scout camp for, a lot of the things, all right, fish, like I mentioned before, fish sticks, but when we would do the actual pancakes, 2-inch thick pan stuff, we'd lay the parchment paper in there, fold it in there, fill it in there, and that way when we were done, we take it out, we just pop it, flip it over, take it off, peel the parchment paper off. Pan's ready for another one. We can just put more parchment paper in it, put more batter in there, cook the next batch. Don't have to worry about scrubbing it and cleaning it. Yeah, when we're done for the day, yeah, we run the pans through the washer. But in between batches, you're not having to scrape it off and get it all clean because, hey, the parchment paper keeps it clean. Now, a couple of times back here, let me take a quick look over here. I guess about a little over a week ago, I talked about cooking in foil. Parchment paper is great for cooking in foil as well. Because sometimes, when you're cooking in foil, something happens. I don't know why, but sometimes you'll get somewhere the meat just sticks to the foil, and there's not enough all the vegetables and other stuff in there. There's not enough juices to keep it from sticking to the foil, and it becomes a mess when you open it up. So you lay your foil out, you put parchment paper in there, pile all your stuff in there on it, and then fold it up and then wrap the foil around it. Makes it a lot easier to open it back up again, and you don't get the meat and stuff sticking to the foil. So parchment paper has a lot of uses. You can get it different ways. You can get it in rolls, different width rolls. You can also get it in sheets for the industrial big cookie sheets, cake sheets. All right, they have them in that size. You can pick those up. You just pull out a sheet, and you need to. You can cut it in half for smaller pans or whatever else. But it's another way of doing it. So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.